Na no ne wa anu wa ne ni ya we si Anioma ndị ya wa afọ meho elewe Igbo since how many years when enu ye ni ndị western region aza western region wu ndị Yoruba anyị aza Kayode anyị aza Sarewa egba mi o anyị aza Tinubu anyị aza Olamide but anyị is when wu ndị western na western region nye ya aza o Chinedu Ebie Ifeanyi Chukwu Ikenna Ikechukwu Obi Emeke yake mana yaka ya aza Ibin. By end of the day so yelo Igbo na anyị ka wazo Igbo ihe ka agwa na ile ndị Igbo nwere enwe the same character enwe the same attitude but Igbo can one of our brother po the other day he declared himself as an Igbo man. Yes, even in Rivers State the same thing here happen in Rivers State where some people listen to Igbo even some Port Harcourt indigenous Igbo kwaso ba hon most of them declare themselves as an Igbo man because araza Ikechukwu ya ribe they don't care e carry ohu no yellow Yoruba yellow Yidu yellow Yoruba ela funre e carry ohu so Anioma Igbo Anioma ihe na nka na go we egiliwe bi yeah my native name me egiwe bi yellow Igbo yellow Hausa yellow Yoruba yellow Yoruba yellow Igbo yelebe last me we ke Nigeria be last njeko epo esene we Anioma yellow Igbo Anioma ke Anioma Yoruba language abi Anioma Hausa language eku okwekwenwe ihujekwu ekpu me iwe yelebe kira so kuyo ira so kiku efan ke ya za Ifeanyi Chukwu Ikenna ipo eselu Igbo weke be bi jeko Nigeria etokwere so south east but three major language in Nigeria Igbo Yoruba and Hausa well three major language other language ojara abia amani de other language ojara three major language ka in Nigeria Igbo la Hausa le Yoruba other language even when area so one now jara ko abia amani language ya na recognize in Nigeria obi keru ya so ne ozugbo aklasego as an Igbo man asna ni resi we na iwonya agbo na iwonya eka ama ya azeka ihe ama na iwonya Igbo as long as you are from this side Igbo am no Igbo ndi Igbo we ke gbunu le chancheni abia amani de agwa na we.
You all have heard what that young man from Ika land said. He said that when Ika people were zoned to Western region, to be in the same zone with Yoruba people, that they bear Igbo names and not Yoruba names. He said that they bear Igbo names like Obi, Emeke, and so on. And at the end of the day, some Ika people will be saying that they are not Igbo people. Why are Ika people saying that they are not Igbo people, even when they are speaking Igbo language? Ask them, what is the language of your ancestors? 99% of them will tell you that Ika language is the language of their ancestors. Only very few will tell you that they are from Ile Ibinu. You will bear the same name with other Igbo people in the southeast. So many names that Ika people bear, we bear it in Okwani land. We bear it in Oshimiri and Anyocha land. We bear it in Anambra State, we bear it in Enugu State, we bear it in Ebonyi State, we bear it in Imo State, we bear it in Abia State. But they will still tell you that they are not Igbo people. Not all Ika people are saying that they are not Igbo people. It's just few of them. If the language of your ancestors is Ika language, your sense supposed to tell you say, these people where they speak like us, where it be say, we dey understand them even when we not study them for school. They still dey understand our own. Your sense supposed to tell you say, oh na be brothers. You people have lived in Western region in the past after Nigeria was created. Anioma people were zoned to Western region. We were in the same region with Yoruba people. Even at that, we don't identify as Yoruba people. We don't hear Yoruba language. We have no connection with Yoruba people. We left Western region and joined Midwestern region. Midwestern region is made up of Edo states and Delta states. Benin people were marginalizing we Anioma people. We started agitating that we want to leave Midwestern region and have our own states. That was how Midwestern region was dissolved. Edo state went their separate ways. We Delta people, we went our own separate ways. When we were in Midwestern region, if to say we and Benin people now brothers, we go live in peace, we go coexist. But Anioma people were complaining, saying that Benin people are marginalizing us. We are not one people with Benin people. We are different from Benin people. And that was how we got our own states. Now we dey Delta states. Una dey open our mouth, they don't say una be Benin people. How come you don't fit live in peace with something where you thought say you and that thing are the same? Ibanke people in Edo states are agitating to leave Edo states where they occupy with Benin people. They are agitating to join Anioma to be with their Ika brothers. Ibanke people are very closer to Benin people and they are saying that they are not Benin people. Why are they running from Benin people? It's because of marginalization. In the past, Ibanke people will tell you that they are Benin people, that they are not Igbo people. Today, 90% of Ibanke people are saying that Ibanke is Igbo land and territory. Some Ika people will say, we don't speak Igbo language. Our language, Ika, does not sound like Igbo. If you are an Ika person and you understand the meaning of language and dialects, then be sure to accept your Igbo identity. What is a language? A language is the means of communication in a nation. Ukwane people and Ika people understand each other when they speak with their dialects. If Ukwane person speak, Ukwane give Ika person go hear. If Ika person speak, Ika give Ukwane person go hear. Same thing with Enugu. Same thing with Oshimiri and Anyocha. Ukwane people, Ika people, Oshimiri and Anyocha people have always lived in peace with each other. When they were in Western region, they lived in peace. They never complained that they were marginalizing each other. They found themselves in Midwestern region. They never complained that they are marginalizing each other. In these same Delta states, Ika people, Ukwane people, Oshimiri and Anyocha people, they never complained that they are marginalizing each other. That is to tell you that they are one people. And that was why that name Anioma holds them together as a single unit. Ika person will tell you that Ukwane person is his brother. Oshimiri and Anyocha people will tell you that both of them are brothers. They will tell you that they are brothers with Ukwane people. They will tell you that they are brothers with Ika people. So what makes Ika people to feel that they are not brothers with Igbo speaking people in the southeast? It's very shameful, nothing of shame. And this is why I said that the love in Anioma land is fake love. If you and Ika person say that Ukwane people are your brothers, if Ukwane people are in the southeast, will you call them your brothers? Because you are not calling people your brother because you speak the same language and you find yourself in the same region. Those Ukwane people that say that they are not Igbo people, but they are brothers with Ika people. If Ika people are located in the southeast, will those Ukwane people call Ika people their brothers? No. If Ika people have been located in the southeast, will those Ukwane people denying their Igbo identity tell you that Ika people in the southeast are their brothers? No. They will tell you that they are not brothers because they are not in the same states. So, River Niger can't separate you with your brothers. People where they anambra not be your brother, but the ones where they Anioma are your brother. If you dey reason that way, you don't have sense. If you be Ukwane person, Oshimiri, Anyocha and the Ika person, and you dey reason say people where they southeast not be your brothers, say on our way there Anioma, Ika, Oshimiri, Anyocha and Ukwane, say now on our way there be brothers. You don't have sense. You don't have sense. You are not Igbo. You are not Igbo. You are fighting Anioma state that will benefit Anioma people. If that name Anioma can bring the Igbo speaking people in Delta State together, then it's expected of us to embrace that name Igbo that holds every Bia speaking people together. Make una stop to the reason like say una not get sense. Ika is a dialect of Igbo language. Ukwan is a dialect of Igbo language. Oshimili and Anyocha are dialects of Igbo language. Like I said before, a language is the means of communication in a nation. In Nigeria, we have Igbo nation, Yoruba nation, Hausa nation. In Hausa nation, they have so many Hausa dialects. In Yoruba nation, they have so many Yoruba dialects. The way Ijebu speak is not the way Ekiti people speak. It's not the way Lagos people speak. But they hear and understand each other. In Igbo nation, the way Ika people speak is different from the way Okwane people speak. It's different from the way Oshimiri and Anyocha people speak. It's different from the way Ikwere or Ekwe people speak. It's different from the way Nsukka people, Olo people, Enugu Ezike people speak. The name that holds every Hausa speaking dialect together is Hausa. The name that holds every Bia speaking dialect in Nigeria is Igbo. Now, una own brother, they tell una say, una be Igbo people. He's saying when you people were living in Western region, are you people Yoruba? No, you people remain Igbo people. He said that you people don't bear Yoruba names, that your names are Obi, Chukwuemeka, Chinedu. All those names are Igbo names. Stop saying my name is not an Igbo name, my name is an Eka name, my name is not an Igbo name, my name is an Okwani name. An Okwani name is an Igbo name, an Eka name is an Igbo name. The name of every Bia speaking people is Igbo. Stop separating yourself, making yourself a minority. Other tribes will be minority, they cry, they verse say they be minority. They want to expand. You come from Bini, you come from Bini. What is the name of your ancestor? Call the name of your Bini ancestor. Una go they call Igbo names. He said that Ika people should say that Ika don't have the same character with Igbo people in the southeast, but they are one people. What he means there is that Ika people have their own character. The character of Ika people is not the same with the character of we Okwane people. Okwane and Ika don't have the same character. Okwane with Oshimiri and Anyocha, we don't have the same character. So it's everywhere. The character of Ebonyi people is not the same with the character of Anambra people. It's not the same with the character of Enugu people. The character of Imo people is not the same with the character of Abia people. And so on. We all are Igbo people. We are not different from each other. He said that even in River States, that some Igbo speaking people there are denying their Igbo identity. And some are proud of their Igbo identity. Not everyone in Ika land are saying that they are not Igbo people. So many Ika people are proud of their Igbo identity. Same way in Okwane land. Same way in River States. So our brothers that are supporting Igbo unification from the southeast, you people should stand with the Igbo unification movement. Stand with those Anioma people that are proud of their Igbo identity. No talk say, those who say they deny their Igbo identity, they insult you. For that, you don't give up. Igbo unification is a fight that we must fight and achieve. We must actualize Igbo unity. We are expected to stand with those indigenous Igbos in the South that are proud of their Igbo identity. Our brother said that Anioma is Igbo and Igbo is Anioma. He said that Ika people are Igbo people. That they should stop denying their Igbo identity. We have been telling those Ika people that are denying their Igbo identity that a time will come, their own children will be telling them that they are Igbo people. He said that his native name is Eginiwebi. Eginiwebi in Enuani dialect is Ejine Iwebi. No live with anger. In Okwane is pronounced as Bejikiwebi. No live with anger. In Ika dialect, AG is pronounced as Egi. What Ika people call yam, which other Igbo dialects call G, is Gi. But in Okwane, we call it G. Yet, Okwane and Ika people will tell you that they are brothers. Even when our dialects are different, but we understand each other. If we go fit call ourselves brother, why are some of our people saying that we are not brothers with those in the southeast? That they don't hear Okwane. Okwane don't hear their dialect. That we don't speak the same language. And you and the Ika person will say, when our dialects they different, they identify as brothers, they tell you what say when I be brothers. Such people that reason like that in Okwane land don't have sense. I see the third this thing. Such people that reason like that in Okwane land don't have sense. They don't have sense. If you be Mumu, I will call you Mumu. I know they hide mouth, I know they pet mumu. People change when you call them their true character. If person a good person, you call them good person, you go keep doing good. But if person a bad person and they don't know say he be bad person, they tell and say he be bad person. Make it change. You dey avoid your kind when not do you any evil. Because you not get sense. Other tribes in Nigeria want to unite. They want to grow, they want to expand. They want to unite even when their dialects are not the same, but at least they understand each other dialects. Identity crisis, they make it, they push your brothers. Propaganda where you don't hear, eh, Southeast people are bad, they are evil. Because of an they thought you don't want to join your Southeast brothers because you don't want to have sense. He said that Ika people are not Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo, Bini. Where then do they belong? If Nigeria divides with the way things are going, where does Ika people belong? If Nigeria divide now, where Ika people belong? Where do Ukwane people belong? Where do Oshimili and Anambra people belong? Where do Ikwere Obanekwe people belong? Are you now going to say that you don't want to join your Southeast brothers? People you speak the same language, culture and tradition with, you don't want to be part of them because naturally you not get sense and you no one get sense and you not feel get sense. You may go when you blow why. That may be a car with the shack on a Ameka with the car. Who be that person called Ika? Who is that ancestor called Ika? So many Ika communities don't know the person called Ika. They don't know that ancestor. They don't even know the meaning of the word Ika. But the name Ika held them together as one people. They're going to tell you Ika is one, Ika Bofu. The same way we Okwane people are called Okwane. We don't have any ancestor called Okwane. But that name Okwane brought us together as a people, as a single unit. Oshimili people are called Oshimili. They don't have any ancestor called Oshimili. Anyocha people are called Anyocha. They don't have any ancestor called Anyocha. But those names hold them together as a single unit. If all these names go fit hold us together, the name Igbo can hold us together with our brothers in the southeast. Identifying as Igbo will not clean away or wipe away your Ika identity. It will not wipe away your Okwane Oshimili and Anyocha identity. It will not wipe away your Ikwere, Ekpe, and Oba identity. You still remain what you are. He said that the major languages in Nigeria are Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba, and that Ika people are of Igbo stock. You know when they speak Igbo language, make you talk, say you not be Igbo person. You not the possible. The reason why we Igbo unification movement focused on the indigenous Igbos in the South, Anioma people, and the Igbos in River State is because they speak Igbo language. They observe Igbo culture and tradition. You never see just they tell Yoruba people say that Igbo people know. You never saw they tell Isoko people say that Igbo people know. You never saw they tell Ijaw people say that Igbo people know. You never saw they tell Benin people say that Igbo people know. You never saw they tell Calabar people say that Igbo people know. Because they don't speak our language. But we are telling those that are speaking Igbo that they are Igbo people. So those people, they call us unity beggars. Keep calling us unity beggars. And we are proud to beg our brothers that are denying their Igbo identity with facts that they are Igbo people. And we are succeeding with our begging. Look now, so many Ika people are telling the world that they are Igbo people. So many Igbo people are saying that they are Igbo people. So many Okwane people are saying that they are Igbo people. Anioma state agitation. Okwane, Ika, Oshimili, and other people are the major people pushing it, making sure that they actualize Anioma state and zone it to southeast. So our begging, they work. Other tribes that are angry that Igbo are uniting, nah, jealousy. Minority not go pray make majority unite. They will want to see majority divided to be a minority like them. Nigeria is Wazobia. Okwane people belong to Bia family. Ika people belong to Bia family. Oshimili and Anambra people belong to Bia family. That word Bia holds every Bia speaking people together in Nigeria. Ndi were indigenous in 13 Nigeria states. We Anioma people make up Igbo nation. We are Igbo people. Our identity is Igbo. Where we belong is Igbo. He said that if you go to the north and speak Ika, that they will call you Igbo and not Ika. And that if they are killing Igbo people, that they will kill Ika people as well. That is fact. After the coup in 1966, the north started killing Igbo people. A bus in the north was stopped. And the federal troops interrogated the people in the bus. And after the interrogation, they saw an Okwane man and his wife. Other people who did that bus, they don't speak any Bia speaking dialect. They don't speak Igbo language. But the Okwane man and his wife, they interrogate them. And after that, the federal troops found out that this husband and wife na Igbo language that they speak. Even when na Ukwane that they speak, oh, their language is Ukwane. Yet these troops brought them out and killed them. Did they kill them because they are Ukwane people? No, they killed them because they are Igbo people. This information is coming from Brigadier Godwin Alabi Isama. He said it in a live broadcast. He wrote it in his book. He was a soldier during the genocide against Igbo nation. His father is from Ukwane. His father is an Igbo man, the father of Brigadier General Alabi Isama. His mother is from Ibadan. Now he write that for a book. During that time when they kill Igbo people for North, after that 1966 coup, so many Ika people that were there were killed. So many Ukwane people that were there were killed. So many Oshibini and Acha people that were there were killed. So if you thought you're not the Igbo person, you are just deceiving yourselves. The North knows that Ika people are Igbo people. They know that Ukwane people are Igbo people. And that is why those Anioma people that are denying their Igbo identity, they are not winning the arguments. They are losing their followers every day. You see, their follower means those Anioma people that are saying that they are not Igbo people. So many of them are now realizing that they are Igbo people. And with that, the population of those people that are denying their Igbo identity is reducing because they are now waking up. The children of those people that are denying their Igbo identity are waking up. They will be telling their fathers and their mothers that they are Igbo people. They will be telling them that they are not Bini people. They will be telling them that they are not Igala people, that they are Igbo people. Identity crisis has no place in Anioma land. Ika people should support Anioma state and make sure that Anioma state is being zoned to the southeast for us to coexist with our brothers in the southeast. Same with Ukwane people, same with Oshimini and Anocha people. Stop denying your Igbo identity. Other tribes in Nigeria, they are uniting. Ijaw people are uniting. Yoruba people are uniting. Yoruba people are uniting. Ile Ibinu people are uniting. Even when their brothers are telling them that they are not one people with them, they keep pushing. And that is why we, the Igbo unification movement, we are pushing to make sure that our Anioma brothers embrace their Igbo identity. To make sure that the indigenous Igbos in the south embrace their Igbo identity. Igbo Bofu, and we will never allow anyone to divide us. Anioma state must be actualized and zoned to the southeast for us to coexist with our brothers. Remain blessed, my people. Ishegware.